What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best massage guns of 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Link the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. We'll kick off toadies. Number 5. RENFO Massage Gun. Upgraded powerful muscle massage gun. We are dedicated to offering a more exquisite and intense sports muscle massager gun. This muscle fascia gun is designed with premium metal housing and a super powerful brushless motor, delivering high penetration. Convenient USB Type-C not supports CC, charging massage gun. Deep tissue. No worry about charging when you travel with it in different countries. This deep tissue percussion muscle massager gun can be charged by USB Type-C with 5V2A AD8 PTER not include and can be charged by power bank too. Ultra portable and silent percussion massager for athletes. Weighted only 1.5 pounds, this muscle massage gun deep tissue is ultra compact and easy to grip. A super quiet brushless motor, as low as 45 decibels, makes it ideal for home, office, or gym use. Long battery life and 10-min auto-off protection. The muscle massage gun is equipped with a rechargeable 2500 mAh high-quality battery, and it can power a week's worth of workouts after fully charging. 10-minute auto-off feature for safety. CONSIDERATION tip. Use time may differ depending on the speed selected. Up to 3200 RPM 5 speeds and 5 massager heads. 5 speeds from 1800 to 3200 RPM are provided for different muscle groups, aiding in sore muscle massage, relax and shape different muscle parts. Choosing from 5 different shaped massager heads, power on the device, you can start to relax your body parts. Number 4. Theragun Pro. Athlete approved. Handheld percussion massage gun by industry leader Therabody, designed for optimal deep tissue and muscle soreness relief. 60% deeper than the average massage gun, providing pain relief. Top-ranked massage gun. Bluetooth enabled, with 6 easy-to-clean Theragun attachments and quiet force technology, providing elite yet silent performance. Ergonomic design. Patented Theragun triangle ergonomic handle allows deep tissue pain relief with flexible positioning while reducing stress on the wrist, hands, and arms. Therapy tool. Full body pain relief through customizable speed range controlled by our app via Bluetooth, providing the right speeds for all levels of sensitivity. 2 interchangeable lithium-ion batteries are included with the Theragun Pro, along with a charging dock. Both batteries hold a charge for around 150 minutes, giving the Pro a combined battery life of about 5 hours without any recharging. 2-year warranty. Industry leader. Therabody's mission is to provide you with the effective natural solutions you need to take charge of your daily wellness. We've combined education, innovation, and over a decade of pioneering within the tech wellness space to make wellness more accessible for everybody. Number 3. Hyperice Hypervolt Go2. The Hyperice Hypervolt Go2 comes equipped with 2 different attachments for you to use and offers 3 different speeds. To turn the gun on, simply press and hold on the power button for 2 seconds. This button also doubles as the speed changer, and to use that feature, all you have to do is press the button to increase your percussion speed. The app is a great tool for anyone who doesn't know how to properly use a massage gun. Plus, it offers routines for any specific issues you need addressing. There are 3 different speed settings available for you to use with the Hypervolt Go2. To adjust the speed, just tap the power button and the LED lights will indicate which setting you're on. These choices range from running to lifting and even just simply working in the office, so the app can learn more about what type of recovery you're searching for. The app also lets you select specific muscle groups to target and shows you exactly how to do so. The Routines tab provides you with multiple routines to do, such as unlocking your hips or undoing neck tension from sitting at a desk. The Hypervolt Go2 uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can last for 3 hours of usage, so you could go a few days between charges. Number 2. Akron Athletics B37. Relieve tight, sore muscles. Alleviates stiff, sore, and strained muscles that make exercising difficult. Find instant relief with our deep tissue massage gun. Rapid percussion sends therapeutic vibration deep into muscle tissue, quickly easing pain, knots, and stiffness. This massage gun uses a 2550 mAh battery that allows it to function continuously for up to 8 hours. It also uses a Samsung brand battery, so you know that it's not like the other cheap ones that usually die out within a few months. Enhance performance and recovery. With 5 speeds ranging from 1430 to 200 RPM, the B37 gives a wide range of power to provide deep tissue massage or delicate treatment. Customize usage with 4 attachments designed for the perfect percussive body massage. Energize and activate body. 30 seconds of treatment wakes up the muscles by increasing blood flow and releasing tension. Activate your muscles to maximize training and performance. Powerful and quiet. With quiet glide noise reduction technology, the B37 massager delivers powerful vibration and percussion without the loud noise of other athletic recovery devices. Ergonomic design. Our ergonomic design provides a grip allowing you to reach 90% of the body for self-myofascial release. Number 1. Theragun Elite. Elite Massage Gun. Theragun Elite, developed by industry leader Therabody, provides deep muscle relaxation and pain relief. Handheld and easily personalized, every athlete deserves to recover the faster and smarter Therabody way. Personalized wellness. With 5 attachments and 5 speeds, your device has the power to massage any area like a pro. Bluetooth-enabled muscle therapy you can take control of. Percussive therapy. Ultra-quiet with advanced sound insulation and premium design. Melt away your tension and empower your recovery with Theragun Elite Deep Tissue Handheld Massage Gun. Ergonomic comfort. Patented Theragun triangle ergonomic handle allows deep tissue pain relief with flexible positioning while reducing stress on the wrist, hands, and arms. Industry leader. Therabody's mission is to provide you with the effective natural solutions you need to take charge of your daily wellness. We've combined education, innovation, and over a decade of pioneering within the tech wellness space to make wellness more accessible for everybody. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.